quality, consistency, experience, passion. These are the core values of our company and our employees. With our 250 employees, we manufacture ABS, PVC, melamine, PMMA, metal, and PP edgebandings under the same roof. We know that the secret of our success is in our quality, and the key to quality is our happiness. At TECE, we start work every morning with the same passion in our 30,000 square meters of production facility. Passion for sustainable quality and innovation. Every day, we work to improve our production processes and to ensure the quality expected from us with ever-changing market trends and customer demands. Since the day our story began in 1987 in an 80 square meters workshop, many things have changed. Our production areas, technologies, product ranges, and more. However, our excitement for innovation, development, and the future has never changed. Edgebanding is much more than a job for us, because in more than 90 countries, we add a touch of color to the lives of so many customers with striking decors and designs. We produce our edgebandings in our state-of-the-art facility with an innovative perspective and the latest technology. Our R&D center works day and night to raise our quality standards even higher. In our R&D center, we are closely controlling our ongoing production and inspecting incoming raw material. We ensure the sustainability of our quality with the SAP software system because our goal here is to produce only perfect quality. Here is TECE. Here the sun rises every day for innovation. Here, every new day begins with the excitement of the future. And this excitement lies behind our innovative edgebanding solutions.